Today, we're traveling back millions of years to Alberta's Dinosaur Provincial Park, a fossil hotspot where the Earth reveals secrets of the late Cretaceous. This landscape, once a lush, subtropical plain, was home to some of the most iconic dinosaurs. For decades we've uncovered their bones, but how they lived and interacted remained a mystery. Now, a new discovery is changing everything. A set of fossilized footprints, not just from one dinosaur but from several species moving together. These tracks offer a rare glimpse into a day in the life of a prehistoric community. Imagine walking through ancient forests, hearing the calls of creatures long extinct. Thanks to a team of researchers, we can now reconstruct a moment frozen in time. Dinosaurs on the move, side by side. This isn't just about old bones, it's about understanding dinosaur behavior and social lives. The site challenges old ideas, suggesting these animals may have formed complex groups. Alberta's Badlands have revealed a new secret, opening a window into a lost world. We'll explore what was found, who left these tracks, and what it means for our understanding of dinosaur society. Get ready to dig into a prehistoric puzzle that's rewriting the story of these ancient giants. This is more than a collection of tracks. It's evidence of a dynamic, interactive ecosystem. Let's dive in and see what these footprints can teach us. The journey into the past begins now. It's going to be an amazing ride. The discovery began with paleontologists surveying Alberta's sedimentary rocks, searching for bones but finding something even more remarkable. On a flat slab, they spotted a series of distinct patterned impressions, fossilized footprints or trackways. What made this site extraordinary was the sheer number and diversity of tracks, covering an area the size of a football field. This was a megatrack site, a prehistoric intersection frozen in time. Carefully, the team brushed away layers of dust, revealing more prints with every pass. The tracks belonged to multiple species, all moving in the same direction. Details like toe shapes and footpad textures were preserved, thanks to dinosaurs walking across soft mud, quickly buried by sediment. Over millions of years, these impressions hardened into rock, creating a perfect record. The site represents a single moment, perhaps just hours, when a diverse group of dinosaurs passed through. Dr. David Eberth and his team immediately recognized the significance. This wasn't just one herd, but a mixed group. The implications were huge, suggesting social interaction between different dinosaur species. It's a rare fossilized scene of prehistoric life in motion. These tracks are more than marks in stone, they're a direct link to dinosaur behavior. The site offers a unique opportunity to study how these animals moved and interacted. It's a discovery that's changing our understanding of dinosaur communities. Who left these tracks? Identifying dinosaurs by their footprints, ichnology, is like detective work. The most numerous prints belong to ceratopsians, horned plant eaters like Centrosaurus or Chasmosaurus. Their large, rounded tracks suggest herds of these social animals moving together. Alongside them were broad, crescent-shaped prints from ankylosaurids, the armored dinosaurs. Finding ankylosaur tracks with ceratopsians hints at unexpected social behavior, or at least tolerance between species. Among the giants, smaller three-toed prints appeared, likely from a dromaeosaur, a small agile predator related to velociraptor. This predator may have been trailing the herd, seeking opportunity or simply moving in the same direction. The mix of tracks reveals a complex prehistoric scene: herds, armored tanks, and lurking hunters. Each footprint adds a new layer to the story of this ancient community. The diversity of tracks shows these dinosaurs weren't isolated, they shared their world. This site captures a rare moment of interaction between very different species. It's a prehistoric cast, each playing a role in the drama of survival. These tracks are signatures of life, not just relics of the past. Let's meet the key players in this ancient drama. Ceratopsians dominated the scene, herbivores with powerful beaks and impressive horns, likely forming the core of the group. Ankylosaurids, armored and low-slung, traveled alongside them, their tail clubs ready for defense. The presence of both suggests possible cooperation or shared migration routes. Small dromaeosaur tracks add tension, a lone predator weaving through the herd, perhaps hunting or scavenging. Finally, massive three-toed prints point to a tyrannosaur, likely Gorgosaurus or Daspletosaurus, following at a distance. The predator's tracks weren't mixed with the herd, but shadowed them, hinting at a classic stalk-and-wait strategy. This mix of herbivores and predators paints a vivid picture of prehistoric life, The site captures not just who was there but how they interacted. It's a rare fossilized moment of community, cooperation, and danger. These tracks reveal a dynamic ecosystem, not just isolated species. The ancient drama of survival is written in stone. These footprints are more than impressions. They're a record of behavior. Most herbivore tracks point in the same direction, evidence of coordinated group movement. This suggests herding, but what's revolutionary is the mix of species moving together. Modern animals like zebras and wildebeest form mixed herds. Now, we see dinosaurs may have done the same. Track spacing reveals herd structure. Smaller, younger ceratopsians in the center, adults on the outside, a classic defensive formation. This hints at social complexity and parental care. Predator tracks add dromaeosaur prints weave among the herd, while tyrannosaur tracks follow at a distance, stalking. The site captures a predator-prey dynamic frozen in time. These clues let us reconstruct not just who was there but how they lived and survived. It's a rare, detailed snapshot of ancient life in motion. The story of these tracks is one of cooperation, defense, and constant vigilance. Why did these dinosaurs travel together? The answer: safety in numbers. For plant eaters, predators like tyrannosaurs were a constant threat. In a group, each individual's odds of survival increased dramatically. Ceratopsians formed a wall of horns. Ankylosaurs added armored defense. Together, they created a formidable alliance, active and passive protection combined. Mixed herds also meant better surveillance. Different species pooled their senses to spot danger. Even the small dromaeosaur may have acted as an early warning system. There were foraging benefits too. Herds churned up the ground, helping each other find food. This discovery shows dinosaurs as interconnected, not isolated. Their survival strategies were complex and cooperative. The tracks reveal a prehistoric alliance, not just a collection of species. Such a discovery takes a dedicated team. Dr. David Eberth led the research at the Royal Tyrrell Museum, recognizing the site's importance. The team worked quickly to document the fragile tracks, using both traditional tools and digital 3D modeling. Specialists in ichnology and paleobotany joined to identify track makers and reconstruct the ancient environment. Every detail, from toe impressions to plant fossils, helped build a complete picture. Preserving the site is a challenge. Plans include protective shelters and digital records. The discovery is now an educational tool inspiring future paleontologists. It's a reminder that science is a team effort, uncovering secrets buried for millions of years. The work continues, ensuring this prehistoric story isn't lost to time. Alberta's Badlands still have many secrets left to reveal. Why is this Alberta track site so important? It's rare and it tells a rich story. Unlike bone beds, which can be misleading, trackways are direct evidence of behavior. Dinosaurs living, not just dying. This is the first solid proof of mixed species herding among dinosaurs. The site shows coordinated movement, defensive formations, and predator-prey dynamics. It changes our view of the Cretaceous. Not just a world of conflict, but one of cooperation and strategy. The tracks bring dinosaurs to life, showing intelligence and social complexity. This discovery opens new avenues for research. Trackways, nests, and droppings all offer clues to ancient life. Scientists will now re-examine other sites for similar patterns. The find challenges us to see dinosaurs as part of a dynamic, interactive ecosystem. It's a beautiful reminder of how much the past still has to teach us. One slab of rock can change everything. Every discovery answers questions and raises new ones. How common was mixed species herding? Was it a rare event or regular behavior? What benefits did these associations provide beyond defense? Did different herbivores share resources or compete? What role did small predators play in these groups? The tracks spark new research and imagination about dinosaur communication and social lives. The Alberta Megatrack site reshapes our understanding of the dinosaur world, and reminds us there's still so much to discover. The adventure into prehistory is far from over.